This is the maid's room, this is the entrance.
Very good.
So here he decided to make a walk inside the garden. With some trees, palm trees and everything. This one all we have in the green zone. But here he didn't make a pool, he did some sitting area. Yeah, like you said, some people like to do that.
Exactly. So you see, that's how.
Yeah. So here it's a fully landscaped garden. This is the parking right in front.
Yeah, I get an idea because you can do actually.
Yeah, but here it's quite different from what you want to do, but
No, but give me a good idea. I really like this.
the walk here.
Oh yeah,
Hi, how are you? Good.
very nice.
You can do the garden the same and then do a villa here. This is like wasted the greenery space, but then you don't have place. You have only this place for sitting. I don't know if you're into barbecue, these things. Then this.
But
will
you know,
not-
you can actually make a pool with the thing, and then have this. It's doable. You just have to figure out how to. Oh, yeah. Very nice.
You see the hall. This is your hall. You can make a very big one like this one, and this is the dining room.
Very nice.
They are making the same everything. There. They are making these kind of glass and wallpapers. Here, just I think the kitchen is from it's mirror kind of mirror. And then this is the storage room. No, it's the same. It's exactly the same. Yeah. This is the kitchen.
Very nice. See, the bread is ready. Everything's ready. Spaghetti. Okay. Very like it. Very nice. This is the front.
And this is where we fire. This is the living we saw. This is the bedroom right next. Now I told you it's a bit over furnished just to make it look nice. You don't have to
I don't know. I like it though.
You don't have to furnish it. Like for example, this one there is only for like like it's useless.
But it's nice though.
It's nice. This is the master.
Very nice.
Now this type of bed I don't know if you like.